Most people look at a clean house and see a chore completed. They see vacuumed floors and dusted shelves. But psychologists see something much deeper. They see a biological signature of a high-functioning mind. Have you ever noticed how some people maintain a pristine environment without even trying, while others live in a state of constant, low-level chaos? It's not about discipline. It's not even about hygiene. It's about cognitive offloading. Today, we're decoding the psychology of the clean house mindset and why, for some, a single misplaced item feels like a system error in their brain. If you've ever felt like you can't think until the sink is empty, you're not just being picky, you're optimizing your hardware. Your brain is a processor with limited bandwidth. Every object in your field of vision is a data point that your mind has to track, categorize, and ignore. People with clean houses aren't just tidy, they are aggressive with their data management. By removing the physical clutter, they are effectively clearing their RAM. Think about it. A pile of laundry isn't just clothes. To your subconscious, it's an unfinished task, a reminder of a future obligation, and a disruption of pattern recognition. For a high IQ brain, that unclosed loop creates a constant draining background hum. The clean house person isn't cleaning because they love soap. They're cleaning to stop the noise. There is a fascinating link between our environment and our sense of agency. When the world feels chaotic, politically, socially, or professionally, the home becomes the one laboratory where you have absolute sovereignty. Maintaining a clean house is a form of externalized order. It is a psychological feedback loop. I control my space, therefore I control my life. This is why, if you can't influence the physics of your kitchen, how can you expect to influence the complexities of your career? But there's a darker side. For some, a clean house is a defense mechanism against internal entropy. If their internal thoughts feel fragmented or overwhelming, the external environment must be rigid to compensate. This is the anchor effect. A clean